Hello, tiny friends! Welcome back to another brand new vlog. I'm so excited to see you all again. We have a fun little adventure waiting today. Okay, now we're gonna make something really fun today. I'm talking about a tiny crushed cracker pizza. It's simple, it's goofy, and honestly, I love making. All right, so here's the official steal from the kitchen list. Just 4 things. Shouldn't be too hard, unless the humans are around. Built it myself from leftovers the humans threw away. Fast, quiet, and perfect for sneaking around. All right, now I'm gonna rush into the Giant's kitchen and steal some groceries for today's. There we go, let's start our heist. First, we have to look for something like a cracker, something for the base of our tiny pizza.
Oh, yes. Perfect. This cracker is exactly what we need for the base of our tiny pizza.
All right, the base is ready. Now we just need some cheese. Oh, yes, there it is. Packed cheese slices. This is perfect for our tiny pizza. All right, time to climb.
Now, let's load this slice of cheese on our quad bike. Now, let's just look up for a pepperoni for our pizza.
Wow. Today I'm having a very good day. Look what I just found. A whole pepperoni. And now, let's add this pepperoni to our quad bike.
Perfect. Everything's ready for our tiny pizza.
Here we go. Time to head back home with all our ingredients. This is gonna be the best tiny pizza ever. All right, let's get these ingredients back home safely. Nothing can stop us now. Aha, so this is my tiny little kitchen, and I am going to make pizza here. First, the cracker as the base, a little pizza sauce on it, cheese on top, and finally, the pepperoni. Perfect. All right, in you go, little pizza. Let's see you bake to perfection.
Ooh, come on. Almost there. Almost there.
T-I-N-G. There it is.
Ooch, this is very hot.
Time to cut this beauty. 1 slice, 2, and perfect. 4 even pieces. Whoa, look at that cheese pull. Oh wow, this tastes amazing.
Nilo, won't you give me a slice, or else I'll punish you to stay out for 2 days.
What? No, okay, take it.
Who knows what you've made from humans' leftovers? It tastes so insane.
All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tiny pizza adventure. If you want to know more about how we live anonymously with humans, hit that subscribe button and join the Nilo Army.
And leave a comment about what you want to watch next in my vlogs.